My name is Aishi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is all about 5 pants which every girl needs in their wardrobe. These are really essential no matter if you're a student, if you're working, if you're a mother of two. These pants are really going to be helpful. I'm sure most of you already own them, and if you do not, you really need to invest in these. These are going to be so helpful when it comes to the fashion world, and you can style them, and they are so versatile pieces and you've got to have them. So the first essential pants are light washed, that is acid washed jeans, and those are really nice in those blue tones. I love those light color. You can style them in so many different ways. You can wear them with something casual like a white t-shirt, or you can dress them up by wearing it with a white shirt or adding a blazer with it, and that looks really cool. And of course you can again dress them up and dress them down with sneakers or heels, and these look really nice. I'm sure every girl already owns jeans in this color because those are really nice. It could be skinny or it could be in a mom jeans fit. It totally depends on you. I love them in the skinny pattern because when I'm wearing this, I like to wear something baggy on the top. So that's really how I balance the look. I really love the color and almost wear them with every color. Essential pants that every girl needs to have is dark washed denim. Now these are again also very much essential, just like the first one, and these are essential in a way because anything which you can wear with that pant, you can wear with this as well. I know some people tell about coloring and all that things, but you know, I can wear a white tee with light washed denim, and I can also wear it with this dark washed denim. Now some people might say that white is a classic color, but same with yellow or pink or adding a blazer. Again, dressing them up or dressing them down all depends on you, but having a dark washed denim is also essential, just because when you want to switch up things or when you're bored of the same look, you can just change it up with this dark washed denim. They are also really nice and look super trendy. Also, both of these pants go with so many colors, and if you're a college going person or if you're going somewhere nearby, you can easily hop on these jeans. You can look dressy in them, but you can also look casual in them. So having these two are the first important and the necessary essential pants. Third pant that I'm going to talk about is black skinny jeans. Now I said about the earlier two jeans that they could be skinny or they could be in the mom jeans fit. It doesn't really matter, but when it comes to black jeans, I think having them in a skinny kind of a fit is more important, like those jeggings fit. So invest in the jeans in which you are going to be comfortable, because you can wear them with something oversized, with a jacket, with a lace cami top, but having that in a skinny fit is so important because it's going to show off your curves and your figure, and it really helps because most of us already have it in the skinny fit pattern because that is what looks most flattering on the body, and it's already black, so it's going to make you look much more slimmer. Not only that, it's like the fit is perfect and it looks so nice. Like if you're going to have it in a baggy pattern, it is not going to look as good as it will look with a skinny fit pattern. I have tried it out and I have seen most of the people having black jeans, they have it in this skinny pattern. So comment down below if you agree or not. Fourth essential pants are going to be dressy pants. Now I have kept them in number 4 because they are not as important as like the previous ones, but as I said, having all these pants are really going to create a versatile wardrobe for you. So having dressy pants is also important if you are a college student or if you are working in an office especially. You can dress them in a casual way also, but if you are going for a presentation or if you want to look more presentable, it's an interview and something, just as the name says, dressy pants is going to make you look like that. Now some of my dressy pant options are these paper bag kind of pants, and paper bag pants are just simple pants but they have that kind of a belt around the waist, so those are paper bag pants, and investing in those is really nice because they could come handy if you need to look presentable for an occasion. And also these plaid pants, I also like to wear them as my dressy pants. I could pair them up with a white shirt or a blazer. And talking about blazer, having a blazer suit, if you can invest in that, it's also really nice. All in all, having dressy pants also create that versatile wardrobe because all the time you cannot wear denim depending upon the occasion and the event. So having something like this in your wardrobe really gives you much more options if the occasion demands so. And my last essential pants are going to be fancy pants or fun pants. And now you're thinking, how are they different from dressy pants? Now, dressy pants come more under the office attire and business chic personality, and when it comes to fancy pants, they could be pants like this, which have some side button pattern, or something with the pattern like this. It all depends on how you want your fun pants to look like. Fun pants are just something which are different than the usual, like dressy pants are dressy pants, and blue and black denims, everybody have those. And when it comes to fun pants, it could be pants with patches, with paintings, with graphic, anything which suits your personality, and anything which you would wear to a fun event like a picnic or a fair or just a book event or anything fun and casual like that. It could be those cargo pants or those flared denims. Having fancy pants or fancy pants just means something different than the usual. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, then give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below which one of these are your essentials and you cannot live without them. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I post my daily outfits there. So if you're interested, then you can follow me. My social handle will be down below. And I post 2 times a week on Mondays and Fridays. So I hope to see you guys next time. Till then, be safe. Bye guys.